Hey everyone. Imagine walking through a dark forest, your heart pounding as a rustling sound echoes behind you. Instinct tells you to run, but what if your brain could learn to override that fear? What if, over time, it recognized that sound as harmless, allowing you to stay calm instead of panicking? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking discovery about how the brain unlearns fear. Scientists have uncovered a hidden mechanism in our brains that helps us suppress instinctive fears, offering potential breakthroughs in treating anxiety, PTSD, and phobias. Could this discovery unlock new ways to control fear itself? Let's break it down. Welcome to Trend Storm. Chapter 1. The Science of Fear Suppression. We're all born with instinctive fears, like flinching at loud noises or dodging fast-moving objects. These responses are hardwired into us for survival. But here's the twist. Scientists at the Sainsbury Wellcome Centre, SWC, at UCL have uncovered how the brain can actually override these automatic fear reactions. Their study, published in Science, focused on mice exposed to a visual threat, an overhead expanding shadow mimicking an aerial predator. Initially, the mice panicked and sought shelter. But after repeated exposures with no real danger, they learned to stay calm. This provided researchers with a model to study how fear responses can be suppressed over time. Chapter 2. Unlocking the brain's fear-regulating powerhouse. So, what's happening in the brain when fear is unlearned? Scientists discovered that a brain structure called the ventrolateral geniculate nucleus, vLGN, plays a key role. This area stores learning-induced memories and helps regulate fear responses. Here's the exciting part. While the cerebral cortex, often seen as the brain's memory hub, was necessary for learning at first, it wasn't needed once fear suppression was established. That means the brain's deep subcortical structures, not just the cortex, are responsible for storing these crucial fear-learning memories. Chapter 3. How the brain physically adapts to fear. The researchers found that this learning process is fueled by endocannabinoids, special brain molecules that regulate mood and memory. When fear learning occurs, these molecules increase neural activity in the vLGN by reducing inhibitory signals, allowing the brain to suppress fear responses over time. This discovery flips conventional wisdom on its head. Instead of fear memories being stored where we expect them, in the cortex, they're actually managed by a different part of the brain, one previously overlooked for this role. Chapter 4. Revolutionizing treatments for PTSD and anxiety. So, why does this matter? Well, fear-based disorders like PTSD and anxiety stem from an inability to regulate fear responses. By pinpointing the vLGN's role, researchers could develop targeted therapies that help the brain unlearn irrational fears more effectively. Imagine future treatments that fine-tune this neural pathway, helping people with anxiety disorders regulate their fear responses naturally. The potential here is massive. Chapter 5. What's next? The research team is now collaborating with clinical experts to study these brain circuits in humans. Their ultimate goal? To develop targeted treatments that harness the brain's own learning mechanisms to fight anxiety and PTSD. Source: Sainsbury Wellcome Centre. So what do you think? Could this discovery change the way we treat fear-related disorders? And have you ever overcome an instinctive fear yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. If you love exploring the latest breakthroughs in neuroscience and psychology, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the trend storm. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more breakthroughs in science and tech, and until next time, keep storming those trends.